Yeah.
Now,
Must be.
try another one.
No,
Great.
you're so smile,
Try
darling.
another one. And another one.
Smile,
wow,
darling.
fantastic. And
Look
another
at you.
one. Great. Well done. There you are. Tuli, you
Hello?
are standing by the telephone. Let's play again. Another one. Tuli, where have you gone? Wow, fantastic. Great. Great.
Too close, darling.
Great.
Great.
Look
Wow,
at this one, eye open.
fantastic. Wow, fantastic. Well done. And another one. Well done. Yes. Here is Tuli. He's on the sailboat. Let's play again. Let's try one more. Tuli, where have you gone? Great. Yes.
What's this, darling?
Yes. Yes. Great. Yes. Great. Great. A hot air balloon. Tuli is going up.
Look at this.
Up in a hot air balloon.
Up here, up here.
Up here.
Where are you now? Well, try another one. Wow, and another one. Wow, fantastic.
Too close, darling.
Try another one. Great. Great. Yes. There you are. Tuli, you are standing by the telephone. Let's play again. Another one. Tuli, where have you gone? And another one. And another one. Great. Try another one. Well done. Yes. Yes. Try another one. Yes. Here is Tuli. He's on the sailboat. Let's play again. Let's try
It's
one
the same
more.
thing, darling. Do you want to do
Tuli,
Zoe?
where have you gone?
Shall we do Zoe?
Zoe.
Zoe.
For you, for me.
For you, for me.
For you, for me. For you, for me. And for baby. And for Mimi.
Zoe. Zoe.
Zoe.
Zoe.
Yeah. Okay.
Charlie.
Mommy,
Charlie.
you want Charlie or you want Zoe?
Charlie. Your friend
You want Charlie?
Charlie. Mr. Charlie.
Yes, your
Let's
friend
do
is
Charlie.
I know you love Charlie.
1, 2, 3.
Hi, Charlie.
Let's play with numbers. To play, move the mouse over the tree. 1, 1, 1, 1 horse.
Huh?